Hi everyone, welcome to Cosmic Wisdom. This is your weekly horoscope for the coming week, that is 14th of July till 20th of July, as per your zodiac moon sign. In case you don't know your moon sign, don't take stress. Just read this guidance as per the zodiac which you resonate with the most. It can be your sun sign, it can be anything. So just believe in yourself and universe and check the guidance. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will be the first person to get the notification of my new videos. Also share this video with your friends and family so that they can also take the guidance for the week and plan their week accordingly. I will put down description of all the zodiac signs timeline. You can check as per your zodiac and click on the time given. Also, for any personalized assistance, my Facebook page, my Gmail ID, and my Instagram page will be there in the description box. You can follow me there and you can reach out to me. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. So, first zodiac sign is Aries, that is Mesh Rashi. So, for Aries, we have the card 4 of Spring, which means this week you are grateful, you have lots of things to celebrate, maybe your anniversary, maybe your family, in your family there is an anniversary, or your friend is getting married, or if you are single you are getting married, or there is an housewarming party. So it's the time for you to celebrate, or you have achieved success and promotion this week from your management, so you feel like celebrating with your family and friends. It's a deep feeling of peace and happiness this week for you, Aries. Overall, it is a contented personal life. मतलब you are very satisfied with your life this week. आप सेलिब्रेट करोगे अपनी फैमिली के साथ, यू विल enjoy. एक सेटिस्फैक्शन है इस वीक में, एक हैप्पीनेस है इस वीक में, एंड ओवरऑल you will have a good week ahead. All the best, Aries. Now, let us move ahead for Taurus, which is Vrishab Rashi. Let's see the guidance. Okay. Taurus, आपके लिए guidance है 5 of autumn, which means this week you might face challenges related to money issues. So, it's advisable to always save your money, or in case you have an emergency, don't feel alone, don't feel restless, just reach out to people for assistance. Help ले सकते हैं आप दूसरों से. Whosoever is closed one to you, you can always reach out to them for any personalized assistance. It can be money related, it can be emotions, you might be feeling alone, you need support, so you can always reach out to others for assistance. Just set aside your ego and reach out to people. Also, this is not the right week for a career change. Just stay wherever you are, because if you going to force the universe and you're going to go for a job hunt, you will not get what you wanted. So just relax, stay there, wait for the right moment to come for a career change. Till then, just stay wherever you are. All the best, Taurus. Now, let us check the guidance for Gemini, that is Mithun Rashi. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Gemini, for you the card is 9 of Spring. So it means, whatever you have earned in the past, and you have reached a height, you have to protect the fruit of your labor. So you have to protect it from people who are trying to pull you down. So don't lose hope, continue to work hard, prepare yourself for the challenges that lie ahead. You have to be strong, you have to be move ahead to fulfill your dreams, to fulfill your goals. Don't feel that you are alone and nobody is there to support. People are pulling you down, there are a lot of competition. So you have to stay strong, you have to continue to work hard. You have to reach your goals. Don't, leave it in midway. You have to continue it. Protect yourself. Create a boundaries for people who are, not who are trying to pull you down. There are other cheerleaders who are there to support you. So you have to protect it and prepare yourself for the challenges. All the best, Gemini. Now let us check the guidance for Cancer, that is Kark Rashi. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Cancerians, for you, the card which I pulled out is Three of Winter, which means it is the time to reach out to others for comfort and love. I know the situation is very disappointing. You have a heartbreak, or you are feeling disappointed, things are not going as per your expectations. So, you need comfort and love from loved ones. You will definitely grow stronger from this situation. Just cry out loud, reach out to others for love, vent out your emotions. Then definitely you will come out of this situation. Success that will heal with time. Sorry, sadness that will heal with time. So, whatever disappointments, whatever sadness you are facing this week, Cancer, it will heal with time. So, you have to reach out to others for comfort and love. All the best, Cancer. Now, let us move ahead and check the guidance for Leo Singh Rashi. Let's see the guidance. Okay, so Leo, for you, the card which is pulled out by me is Two of Summer, which means it is a week for love, falling in love, or making a serious commitment to someone. So, if you are a single, you will definitely find someone with whom you will fall in love, and it will be a serious commitment. It will be a soulmate relationship. Also, if your relationship is struggling, this card suggests forgiveness and resolution of a problem. Forgiveness is one way where you can solve your problem if your relationship is struggling, or have an open communication with your partner. Then also you will resolve the problem. Don't give up. That is what the key is. Don't give up. Your relationship will soon be healed. You have to forgive and you have to have an open communication. Then only your relationship will improve. Along with, you might be fell in love with a serious commitment. So all the best, Leo. Now let us check the guidance for Virgo, that is Kanya Rashi. Let's see what is told for Virgo. Okay, so Virgo, for you, the card is the World, which means it's the week for a brilliant success. Whatever challenges you were facing, definitely your hard work will give results. You will achieve a brilliant success. Your superiors will appreciate your hard work. So you have to continue, do your best, and now is the time to have a freedom to go to any direction. One part of thing is over. Now you are ready to face new challenges, new perspective, and new direction of life. So one journey is complete and you are ready to find the new way, new direction. Also, if you are single, you might get married, or you find someone with whom you can have a relationship. If you are already married, you will plan for a baby, or if you are a student, there can be a graduation ceremony, or you will go out with your partner and celebrate love. It's a world tour. So all the best, Virgo. Now let us check the guidance for Libra, that is Tula Rashi. Let's see the guidance. Okay, so Libra, for you, the card is the Chariot, which means this is the time to be dedicated, to have self discipline, to have courage to fulfill your goal. Success comes from dedication and self discipline. You will be celebrating your accomplishment. You are focused towards your goals. No matter what challenges come your way, you are determined to complete your goals and you will celebrate your success. You will be in spotlight. You will be successful. Only thing is you have to be focused and you have to be determined to complete your goals. All the best, Libra. Now let us check the guidance for Scorpio. That is Vrishchik Rashi. Let's see the guidance. Okay, so Scorpio, for you the card is Justice. That means this is the week where you will get justice for your deeds. So review your details carefully. You will definitely win in the end. If your deeds are good, definitely you will win in the end. If you are fighting any legal battle, rest assured it will be in your favor. This also suggests court marriage. So if you are single, you might get married in court. Or if your relationship is struggling, it can be break up in the relationship. You mean to, if you are married, there is divorce in the chart. Also, you will be taking decisions in a very fair and objective way. You will not be biased towards your team. You will be very fair in taking any decision. So all the best, Scorpio. Now let us move ahead for Sagittarians, that is Dhanu Rashi. Okay, so Sagittarians, for you the card I pulled out is Queen of Summer, which means this week you will be very intuitive. You will be taking decisions based on your intuitions. You will be listening to the heart. So you will be focusing more on heart rather than mind. So any decisions you will be taking as per what the heart says and what your intuitions indicate. You are taking care of others without taking care of yourself. You are taking too much care of others. You are very, caring, compassionate, but at the same time you have to look yourself also. You have to take care of yourself. This week you will be very emotional, Sagittarians. Maybe you are overwhelming, maybe you are too emotional because of the situations coming your way. So just have a balanced emotions. All the best, Sagittarians. Now, let us check the guidance for Makar Rashi, Capricorn. Let's see the card. Okay, so Capricorn, for you, the card is Six of Winter, which means positive changes are coming your way. So, whatever challenges you have faced last week, whatever obstacles you had last week, there will be a welcome relief from these troubled times, challenges. Positive things are coming your way. It also indicates you might be traveling for interview or for office work to some other city. Sometimes this is what is required to be happy and peaceful. Also, it indicates relocation. You might be relocating to some other place for job purpose or for work. So, overall, it's a card of positivity, it's a card of happiness. All the best, Capricorn. Now, let us check the guidance for Aquarius, Kumbh Rashi. Okay, so Aquarius, for you, we have the card the Magician, which means you have the power where you can manifest anything, whatever desires you need. You can do anything, you can manifest anything. Universe blessings are with you. You have to take charge of your life. You can manifest anything which requires to be successful. It means you have all the resources, all the power to achieve success in life. You have to be more open and you have to be careful what exactly you need in life. So, all the best, Aquarius. Now, let us check the guidance for Pisces, the last zodiac sign. Pisces, for you, the card is Queen of Spring, which means this week you will be very outspoken, you will be very friendly, you have your passion, you are very talented, you will be working towards your passion, you are very brilliant. At the same time, you have to believe in yourself. There are people around who wants to help you, who wants to invest in your business. So there are people in who wants to help you. Also, at the same time, you have to maintain a balance between your work and home life. So it's the time to maintain a balance, believe in yourself, and look around. There are people to help you for your venture. All the best, Pisces. And thank you so much, everyone, for watching my weekly horoscope. I hope this week will bring happiness, success, and these guidance help you to choose the clear path. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a great week ahead.